A groundbreaking study has unveiled a comprehensive DNA tree of life for flowering plants, using genetic data from over 9,500 species to unravel their complex evolutionary history and ecological dominance. Spearheaded by the Royal Botanic Gardens Kew, with significant input from the University of Michigan and other institutions, the research team delved into 1.8 billion letters of genetic code. This monumental achievement in plant science enhances our understanding of plant diversification and adaptation, potentially leading to the discovery of new species and medicinal compounds.